a basic dashboard, you will find the various options. So like here you can see that you have the layers and the tabs, whereas you have the list of all the components available here, and here you have the dashboard menus from where you can save your work using the save icon. You can send email to any non-AIV users, send IM messages to the internal AIV users. You can clear the filters using this icon, and you can create the filters with this filter icon. Here we have the dashboard setting options, which we will cover later. Using this grid view, you can go to the grid view of the dashboards. From here you can generate the embed link for this dashboard. From the responsive screen, you can adjust the screen size or your visualization as per your devices. So you can set the view in tablet and mobile from this responsive screen. And from here you can go to the preview mode of the dashboard. So if I go to the dashboard select, before going to this dashboard setting, we'll cover the tabs. So here I can see there is a plus icon, and if I click on this, I can create a new tab, and we'll call it as second tab. So I have a second tab now, and let's make this tab as a default tab. So this has been set as a default tab. I can delete this tab from here itself. In layers, if I click on it, I can add another layer as well by clicking on add layer. Now we'll go to the dashboard settings, and here we will rename the tab 1 to the first tab. Here we can also set the refresh time of a particular widget. We can hide a particular tab, so we can hide the tabs. We can set the auto load. Here we can set the tab properties where we can rename them. We can add an icon to the front of the first tab name, icon table, like this way. We can set the tab background color. We can set the text color of the tab. We can also set the tab content background. So if we go to the first tab, and you will see the background color has been changed, and we can also change the active color. Let's say white. Now this is the tab active color. I can adjust the size of the tabs. I can also add a background image, and I can set the position of those images. Now repeat. I can set the layer properties. I can set the background color of the layer. I can have the miscellaneous properties from where I can hide email, I can hide the instant message icon, and even I can hide the clear filter option. So here I will and save and exit. So here we have adjusted the dashboard properties settings.